This is the 1080p trail camera unboxing. The trail camera comes in a nice hard case, including the package, just 2 straps. USB charging cable. Look hard. And user manual. Here we have the trail camera. The remote's on the back and compartment. Lift the flap to look at the LCD screen. Here's where the battery compartment is located. Here I'm just going to go through the design of the camera. Here's the PIR sensor, lights, camera, LCD screen, external DC power socket, where you connect the clips to, compartment for a remote, bottom to connect to tripod, and I'm just going to open the battery compartment, which is also where the SD card slot's located, and the power on off. So to the right is the USB slot. Of course you click that to get to the battery compartment. There's the SD card and on off switch. Here I'm going to go through the settings really quick. So the first set of settings is the camera. Second set of settings is the video recording. The third set of settings is the setup menu. So here to the left is the daytime footage, and to the right is the nighttime footage. So you can tell it has extremely great resolution. Although I do have some static or some graininess in the nighttime footage. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.